Hello everyone, I am Santosh. Today is 18th January 2022 and today's our topic is introduction of Java. In that, Java was developed by James Gosling in 1995 uh, by the Sun Microsystem in year 1995. Later on, it acquired by a Oracle company or Oracle corporations, uh, and it is a acquired it is simple programming language. Java makes writing, compiling, and debugging a program with easily, and it helps to create a reusable code and modulars. Java is actually an object-oriented programming language that produces a software for multiple platforms, and it is highly secureable language. It is widely used in everywhere. In Java, there are so many features are there, such as it is a platform independent and it is a portable, architectural neutrals, and object oriented and robust, and it is a secure also. The main feature of Java makes Java it is it robust, and it is also called a garbage collection, exception handling, and memory allocation. We can develop various types of applications such as mobile applications, network applications, e-business, gaming, and web application or Oracle application, etc. The Java features are also called as a Java buzzwords, and it is a portable, secure also. Java makes writing, compiling, and debugging programming easily. It helps to create a reusable code and modular programming also. One of the best widely used programming language it is, and it is also called a server side language for the most backend development projects. Compilation of the program is done by the compiler. Java is the primary Java compiler introduced in Java development kit, and Java is considered